Now there is one thing I would like to show you, the effect of a blown out light. If one of the turn lamps is blown out, let's see the effect it has. Just look at the frequency of the flash, and then when I disconnect one lamp, look at the change in the frequency of the flash. Let's do this. Let's disconnect this. See the effect? So when there is a blown out turn signal lamp, the blinking frequency will increase. Let's connect it back. So this is an indication of a blown out turn signal lamp. So when you have a blown out turn signal lamp, the blinking frequency will increase. So if it is frequently blinking at extremely high speed, basically the blinking frequency is between 60 and 120 times per minute. If there is a blown out fuse, if there is a blown out lamp, that will cause the blinkage to increase. Same thing happens. If I disconnect this, same thing happens. If I disconnect this, same thing happens. So this is how you can identify whether all the lamps are working nicely or not. On the dashboard, the indicator lights, if they blink very fast, if there is a difference between the blinking frequency between the left and right, then it indicates that there is a malfunctioning bulb or malfunctioning circuit. Well, dear viewers, this is all we have for you in this presentation. If you liked the video, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.